If you've been searching and searching and searching for a business opportunity that you might start doing in the little coffee breaks of your day, look no further. I'm part of an opportunity that actually works. Passive income. We all want it, right? And so many opportunities promise passive income, but they're actually selling you a dream. And reality is, most of it is not true. This opportunity that I stumbled across a few weeks ago is life changing. That I can promise you. For me and for so many other people, thousands upon thousands upon thousands of other people. This business opportunity is pulling people out of poverty. And we're not selling products. There's no buy a course to sell a course. There's no PLR, no MRR, no complicated funnels, no selling digital products on Etsy. None of that. We are selling nothing. This company figured out a way how to tap into the $1 trillion membership industry. And they give you a little piece of it. We all have subscriptions. Let me use Netflix. Netflix has 300 million members. Imagine when they first started, they told everybody that they would give you an affiliate link. Everybody signing up with your link, pay you a small commission up front, and they will pay you every single month for the rest of forever as long as this person pays their subscription. We would be swimming in money, my friend. I obviously didn't do that. That is exactly what this company is doing. It's going to be the next Amazon. In fact, this company is already being named in the same sentence as Amazon. The other thing is they have been breaking all sorts of records already. Some people in this community are at a point where they can even step away from this business and the business will still pay them. This opportunity has just taken off and it is so simple. And if you've been searching and searching and searching, please listen to me. If you're still here and you want to learn more, please stick a heart here and leave your favorite emoji for me in the comments and I will get back to you with more information.